Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where even if I burn the food, at least I'm heating your day up. Today we're going to make refried beans. We're going to start with quartering one yellow onion. To the pot, we're going to add 1 pound of pinto beans. I let these soak overnight so they're nice and plump. We're going to add that whole quartered onion. We're also going to add 2 teaspoons of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. We're going to add enough water to cover the beans by 2 inches. We're going to turn it to high heat. Let this come to a boil. Now that the beans are boiling, we're going to cover, reduce the heat, and let it simmer for 1.5 hours to 2 hours. Now that the beans are done, we're going to cut off the heat and we're going to drain the beans. We're going to reserve the liquid. We're going to use that later. Now we're going to dice 3 jalapenos. Depending on how spicy you want it, you can take the seeds out, or if you like it spicy, leave the seeds in. I'm going to leave the seeds in. And I'm just going to give it a light dice. You don't need to go crazy and mince it, just dice it up a little. That's good enough. I'm going to heat the skillet over medium heat. And we're going to heat up about 2 tablespoons of manteca. Manteca heating up, we're going to add those jalapenos to the pan. And we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. We're just going to cook these jalapenos until they soften a little. Now that the jalapenos are beginning to soften, we're going to add 2.5 cups of our beans. And we're going to cook this for about 2 minutes. Now we get in 1 cup of our bean water. Depending on how you like your consistency of your beans, you can use a potato masher, or we like them smooth, so I'm going to use my emulsion blender and get in there and mash them up or blend them up. Now just cook them until they're your desired consistency. and taste them to see if you need to add any more salt. For me, that's perfect. Now it's time to turn off the heat. And it's time to eat. Now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. That's some darn good refried beans. It's a little on the spicy side, but I like spicy. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. And thanks for watching.